Hi everybody. So now we are trying to do two projects with the same AI prompt. So here I write this prompt for Gemini and the same prompt for Manus. The different prompt between Gemini and Manus is Gemini. I started the prompt with the clean architecture, so it doesn't put the whole code in the main page. So here I just started to download the Manus folder or zip file that it provided when you are asking it to create any project. And I created a new project or a new Flutter project. I thought the zip file will be a whole project, but instead it was just a lib file with the pubspec.yaml file and the readme file. So I had to create a new project. um, while creating the project, I just looked to the files. It's readme, pubspec, and the lib and the architecture plan file. So here you just added the lib file to my main project. Now I tried to add the content of the pubspec.yaml of Manus. I don't want to just replace my pubspec because maybe the SDKs are different. That's why I just copied the packages that Manus used and pasted to my workspace. Next, I added the other files like the architecture plan and readme just to keep the project as Manus did it. Now let's see, there is some errors in the Manus code. In the main page, it used the card theme while it's already deprecated and it's card theme data. I just fixed this error. In the screens folder, there is the info screen. It uses something like main center without completing the whole code of the main axis alignment. I really don't know why. I was searching for anything related like app theme or anything. There was nothing. So I just fixed it by myself by adding the main axis alignment center. And the icon, I just changed it to another available icon. Now I will start the iOS simulator. Here I'm going to do what Gemini provided. First, it asked me to add the packages, as you can see. So I added the packages to the pubspec.yaml. And here it's planning or it's writing what architecture will be. So we have a folder called core and the app theme is inside this folder. So I'm going to copy the app theme.dart. I'm doing this step by step to show you just how much time it will take for each AI models to follow their steps. Here I added the app theme. Now I will add the task model, which is inside a models folder too. Later on, we are going to add the services folder for the service Dart file. And here are the screens, starting with the home screen. I'm just curious to see how both designs will be and let you decide in the comments which one was the perfect one. Or not the perfect one, but the more uh, readable to the prompt. I'm going to post the prompt in the description of this video. Here is the last screen, which is the info. and the main layout. Now we will have to adjust our main.dart so it ran the code from our new architecture. Here I just missed out. I wrote code, not core. So I just renamed my folder to core. Gemini code, there is no errors, as you can see. Expect the one that I made. Now we'll run both apps. I will start with Manus since I started the code in it. So let's run the app and see the result. You can see that the base colors are yellow. It made three bottom navigation bar items. And when I click on the plus in the home screen, I can add title to my task. I can add description to my task, though I never asked for that in my prompt. I just wanted to add tasks. And that's a good enhancement. Now here I will add the time to 22, so the app can run after 1 minute, since in the prompt I said that I want, when I set an alarm for a mission, that the app freezes and show a dialog. Plus, I asked them or asked the AI to add a reward. Here, Manus gave me space to write my reward, and that's a good thing actually. Here you can see active task ends in 15 or 3 p.m. I can't click anywhere unless I can just end the task. And there is no accomplished tasks, of course, because I just um, ended the task before its time. Now let's see the result. The app is blue and there is a three bottom navigation bar, as you said, the accomplished button, the info, and the new tasks. Now when I add plus, it automatically just added a task after 1 minute, uh, directly without letting me to add any text to my task and a description. I think that Gemini understand that I just want a time shield, as it said, that it holds the phone for like some time so I can accomplish my task. So, what do you think about Gemini and Manus? Which one understood my prompt better? Is there any enhancement that I can made to my prompt so it um, get the right result that I wanted, or already my prompt was correct, but the difference was in the AI? Let me know in the comments.